Ever wonder what happens when iconic characters get a monstrous makeover? Uh, Before we dive in, please remember to subscribe and hit that like button for more. Um, let's explore a nostalgic collision. Remember the 90s flannel shirts, dial-up internet, and a teenage girl destined to fight vampires. Uh, Now imagine that world blended with the colorful, quirky universe of Monster High. Uh, it's happening. Mattel Creations has unveiled a special two-pack, Buffy the Vampire Slayer and Angel reimagined as Monster High dolls. Um, these aren't your average collectibles. They're a tribute to a decade and a beloved series. Buffy stands at 10.5 inches, while Angel reaches 11 inches. Both are styled in 90s inspired faux leather, ready for a night of battling evil, or maybe just hitting the senior prom. Buffy's outfit is a nod to her, season 3 finale look. She sports bold red pants and a black jacket, complete with a Slayer handbook purse and stake. Her blouse features a familiar narration. Quote, Angel's Celtic print shirt reflects his heritage, and his sword necklace is a playful reminder of a fateful encounter. The attention to detail is remarkable. Capturing the essence of these characters. The dolls come with accessories like Buffy's stake and crossbow, ensuring that she's always prepared for a fight. And shaped like the scythe from the series finale. It's a collector's dream, and the packaging is equally impressive, styled after the show's artwork. Each set includes a certificate of authenticity, making it perfect for display. The price is set at $98. Fan club members get first dibs starting September 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. PT. Availability will expand to other retailers shortly after a don't miss your chance to own a piece of nostalgia. You know, what do you call a vampire who's a good artist? Fantastic. These dolls are sure to make a lasting impression on any fan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.